My name is Gabriel from B&H Photo. We're here at WPPI, and we've got a wonderful experiential booth here. So let's take a tour. Right up front and center, we've got our sales staff all the way from New York. We got, I think we got 6 salespeople here. They're here to help you with all of your gear needs. We also have, check this out, look at this, is a brand new product from Zacuto. We got a viewfinder attaches to all your mobile devices, attaches with a mic as well, very cool. We've got Michael Hollander from Sony, and he's got the latest and greatest Sony cameras and lenses for you to test and try out. It's jam-packed at WPPI if you hadn't noticed, right? We got JC from Westcott. All right, say hey, he's got a bunch of his FJ400s or FJ400, FJ200. We got a nice background, their newest X Pro backgrounds.
Showing off the multi-brand compatible FJX3. As you see, we're going from Nikon to Sony to Fuji to everything, and it works on everybody. One trigger to rule them all.
That's it. All right. Next up, we've got another lighting bay experience, and we've got Paul from Nanlite here, and he's got some of his really cool. Look at that. That's an 8-foot tube light. Tube lights give a really nice, soft, round light, and it can be programmed to any color out there.
Different models and varieties. All available at B&H.
Excellent. And we've got some of their other soft boxes and more powerful LED lights. So what's really cool about any of these LED lights, what you see is what you get, right? So you don't have to worry about getting, strobe, doing all the test shots and this, that. It's like you set up the lights, what you see is what you get. We've got Capture One setting up a tethered station here as well. So you can come over and test out their latest software. Got click prop backgrounds. We've got these beautiful backgrounds made in the UK. All sorts, sizes. So I think we're the only booth that's got drones here, but it looks like DJI is taking a break, so we'll get back to them later. We've got, we also have going to get your monitor calibrated. We've got data color, great solution. If you're printing at home, if you're working on your images at home, most of our computers are too bright. They're made for gaming or watching, movies and stuff like that. So you get a device like any of the data color ones, you'll get the right colors for you to print from. And then looking for storage solutions, we've got Glyph Drives here. We've got Mason from Glyph, and he's got the latest and greatest of all super portable SSD drives.
It's a great place to archive all the big videos and photos that you collect over time. It's a great place to put them. And then something like this is a great drive to use on the shuttle on the road, like a road warrior. So if you travel with you, offload your SDs or your CFast to one of these guys and then get right back to shooting.
And we've got, looking for a PC workstation, we've got Dell Computers here, and we've got like huge monitors, huge workstations, laptops, and they're doing a great thing here. So if you want to come and work on your images, say you take a photograph from one of the shooting bays, you want to come here and work on your image, you can work on it here in Capture One, and they'll give you a thumb drive to output it, and then we've got Canon right next door. They can make you a print. So this is our workflow station area here at B&H. But wait, there's more, come on. Yep, and that's that latest, greatest. This is the big Canon 2100 printer here, and we have Mike and Bob from Canon, and they're giving out free 18x24 prints here at B&H. All right, now we've got the famous Cliff Hausner from Profoto. He's using all the latest from Profoto lights, their small lights, their big lights, their beauty dishes, their soft boxes, and we got some nice colorful Savage backgrounds. You come over, he'll have a remote, he'll put a remote trigger on your camera, and then you can control all the lights here at Profoto. And there he is, the one, the only, the mustachioed Cliff Hausner. Over here we've got Panasonic. We've got Brad from Panasonic, and he has all the latest mirrorless cameras, their full frames, their Micro Four Thirds versions, all the latest glass here. From Panasonic and their Lumix collection. We've got Gratiz here, so and they've got several of their lighting lines here. We've got little LEDs, Luxley solutions right here. These are great for if you're doing any at home or on the go, you need a little light there. Or are there more powerful soft boxes, backgrounds, reflectors, all sorts of great modifiers to help you be well lit. We've got Joe from B&H. We've been able to tap in and log into you can talk to the B&H reps here, but say you want to step into the store, you can go to our lighting department, you can go to our photo department and speak with one of our experts here. So we actually brought our whole staff here with us. So this is the B&H booth at WPPI. We're booth number 1701. We hope you've enjoyed the tour, and we hope to see you sometime out there.